வணக்கம். 8th standard English medium lesson number 3 light textbook exercises. Choose the best answer. Question number 1. Which of the following has curved reflecting surface? Answer option B spherical mirrors. வளைந்த எதிரொலிக்கும் பரப்பை உடைய ஆடிகள் எதுன்னு கேட்டுக்காங்க. Spherical mirrors. The spherical mirror with a reflecting surface curved inward is called. Answer option B concave mirror. உட்புறமாக எதிரொலிக்கும் பரப்பை உடைய வளைவு ஆடி எதுன்னு கேட்டுக்காங்க. Answer concave mirror. The spherical mirror used as a rear view mirror in the vehicle is. Answer option B convex mirror. வாகனங்களில் பின் காட்சி ஆடியாக பயன்படுத்தப்படும் ஆடி எதுன்னு கேட்டுக்காங்க. ஆன்சர் கான்வெக்ஸ் மிரர். The imaginary line passing through the center of curvature and pole of a spherical mirror is called. Answer option C principal axis. ஒரு ஆடியின் ஆடி மையத்தையும் வளைவு மையத்தையும் இணைக்கும் கற்பனை கோடு எதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. எது கேட்டாங்கன்னா principal axis. The distance from the pole to the focus is called. Answer option B focal length. The distance from the pole to the focus is called focal length. Sixth question. If the image and object distance is same, then the object is placed at. Answer option D at C. பொருளின் அளவும் பிம்பத்தின் அளவும் சமமாக இருந்தால் பொருள் வைக்கப்பட்டுள்ள இடம் எதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. at C. Seventh question. If the focal length of a spherical mirror is 10 cm, what is the value of its radius of curvature? Answer option C 20 cm. ஒரு கோளக ஆடியின் குவிய தொலைவு 10 சென்டிமீட்டர் எனில் அதன் வளைவு ஆரம் என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஆன்சர் ஆப்ஷன் C 20 cm. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The spherical mirror used in a beauty parlor as makeup mirror is dash. அழகு நிலையங்களில் அலங்காரம் செய்ய பயன்படும் கோளக ஆடி எதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஆன்சர் concave mirror. The spherical mirror used in a beauty parlor as makeup mirror is concave mirror. Geometric center of the spherical mirror is dash. கோளகாடியின் வடிவியல் மையம் எதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. pole. Answer pole. Geometric center of the spherical mirror is pole. Third question. Nature of the images formed by a convex mirror is dash. குவியாடியில் தோன்றும் பிம்பத்தின் தன்மை என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. virtual and erect. Answer வந்து virtual and erect. The mirror used by the ophthalmologist to examine the eye is dash. கண் மருத்துவர் கண்களை பரிசோதிக்க பயன்படுத்தும் ஆடி எதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஆன்சர் கான்கேவ் மிரர். ஃபிஃப்த் கொஸ்டின். இஃப் த ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் இன்சிடென்ஸ் இஸ் 45 டிகிரி தென் த ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் இஸ் டேஷ். சேமாக தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ ஆன்சர் 45 டிகிரி. ஒளிக்கதிர் ஒன்றின் படுகோணத்தின் மதிப்பு 45 டிகிரி எனில் எதிரொலிப்பு கோணத்தின் மதிப்பு என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. சேம் 45 டிகிரி. If the angle of incidence is 45 degree, then the angle of reflection is 45 degree. Sixth question. If an object is placed between two mirrors which are parallel to each other, the number of images formed is dash. இணையாக உள்ள இரண்டு சமதள ஆடிகளுக்கிடையே ரெண்டு சமதள ஆடி இருக்குன்னா ஒரு பொருளானது வைக்கப்பட்டால் உருவாகும் பிம்பங்களின் எண்ணிக்கை எத்தனைன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஆன்சர் இஸ் 3. If an object is placed between two mirrors which are parallel to each other, the number of images formed is 3. Match the following. Part 1 and Part 2 are given. In Part 1, convex mirror, parabolic mirror, Snell's law, dispersion of light, refractive index are given. We have to match it correctly. Answer convex mirror. Rear view mirror. Convex mirror rear view mirror, parabolic mirror, radio telescopes, parabolic mirror, radio telescopes, Snell's law. Sin I by sin R is equal to mu. Sin I by sin R is equal to mu. Dispersion of light, rainbow. Dispersion of light, rainbow. Refractive index, mu is equal to C by V. Refractive index, mu is equal to C by V. Answer briefly. Define focal length. Focal length. The distance between the pole and the principal focus is called focal length f of a spherical mirror. Focal length is equal to radius of curvature by 2. Second question. Give any two application of a concave and convex mirror. Answer. Concave mirrors are used while applying makeup or shaving as they provide magnified image. They are used in torches, church lights and headlights as they direct the light to a long distance. Convex mirror. Convex mirrors are found in the hallways of various buildings including hospitals, hotels, schools and stores. They are also used on roads where there are sharp curves and turns. State the laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. The angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are always equal. Define the refractive index of a medium. Answer. The refractive index of the medium is defined as the ratio of the speed of light in the air to the speed of light in that particular medium. It is denoted by the Greek letter mu. Mu is equal to speed of light in air C by speed of light in the medium V. State Snell's law of refraction. Snell's law of reflection. The incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal at the point of intersection all lie in the same plane. The ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction or is equal to the refractive index of the medium, which is a constant. Answer in detail. Explain the images formed by a concave mirror. Concave mirror form a real image and it can be caught on a screen. Depending on the position of the object in front of the mirror, the position, size and nature of the image will vary. Image formed by a concave mirror. Position of the object, position of the image size, nature of the image. At infinity, position of the image. At f, image size, highly diminished, nature of the image, real and inverted. Beyond C, position of the image, between C and F, image size diminished, nature of the image, real and inverted. At C, position of the image at C, image size, same size as the object. Nature of the image, real and inverted. Position of the object between C and F. Position of the image beyond C. Image size magnified. Nature of the image real and inverted. Position of the object at F. Position of the image at infinity. Image size highly magnified. Nature of the image real and inverted. Position of the object between F and P. Position of the image behind the mirror. Image size magnified. Nature of the image virtual and erect. What is reflection? Write a short note on regular and irregular reflection. Answer: reflection. What is reflection? The bouncing back of the light rays as they fall on the smooth, shiny and polished surface is called reflection. Regular reflection. When a beam of light, that is collection of parallel rays, falls on a smooth surface, it gets reflected. After reflection, the reflected rays will be parallel to each other. Here, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection of each ray will be equal. Hence, the law of reflection is obeyed in the case, and thus a clear image is formed. This reflection is called regular reflection or specular reflection. Example: reflection of light by a plane mirror and reflection of light from the surface of still water. Irregular reflection. In the case of a body having a rough or irregular surface, each region of the surface inclines different angles. When light falls on such a surface, the light rays are reflected different angles. In this case, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection of each ray are not equal. Hence, the law of reflection is not obeyed in this case, and thus the image is not clear. Such a reflection is called irregular reflection or diffused reflection. Example: reflection of light from a wall. Explain the working of a periscope. Periscope. It is an instrument used for viewing bodies or ships which are over and around another body or a submarine. It is based on the principle of the law of reflection of light. It consists of a long outer case, and inside this case, mirrors or prisms are kept at each end, inclined at an angle of 45 degrees. Light coming from the distant body falls on the mirror at the top end of the periscope and gets reflected vertically downward. This light is reflected again by the second mirror kept at the bottom, so as to travel horizontally and reach the eye of the observer. What is dispersion? Explain in detail. Dispersion of light. Splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors on passing through a transparent medium is known as dispersion of light. Explanation. Light of different colors present in white light have different wavelength and they travel at different speeds in a medium. Refraction of a light ray in a medium depends on its speed. As each color light has a different speed, the constant color lights are refracted at different extents inside the prism. Moreover, refraction of a light ray is inversely proportional to its wavelength. Thus, the red color light, which has a large wavelength, is deviated less, while the violet color light, which has a short wavelength, is deviated more. Thank you.